Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE graphics card. So friend, it features fewer cores and less memory than XT model and available globally soon. So friend, this model offers 5120 cores with only 30 compute units enabled on the GPU, and as a result, the card comes with reduced specification compared to the RX 7900 XT, affecting memory and memory bus, and the Infinity cache also been reduced from 80 MB to 64 MB. And friend, the TDP has been lowered to just 260 watt, and friend, it was noting that the memory bus has been downclocked to 18 Gbps, resulting in a bandwidth of 576 GB per second instead of the accepted 640 GB per second. And the card features lower clock speed with a base game and boost clock of 1270 MHz compared to XT's 1385 MHz, and the GPU is identified as Navi 31XL, but its package is noticeably smaller, confirming presence of hybrid Navi 31 or 32 design, and this design suggests that a smaller package will be utilized from the upcoming Navi 32 graphics processor, indicating that 2 out of 6 Infinity cache ties are disable or dummy. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.